I remember when I made a video about Akwa Okuko. I remember when I told you guys how Apa operates. When I made that video, a lot of people came after me. Even to date, that is why you have too much enemies. Man, enemy. The way it is, man, so it's not a new thing. I will keep saying the truth. I want somebody na I am a person who speaks the truth. And that's why I'm free here, and the namana tojo. And everything I say, I stand by it. You want to go? The video that I made previously, what J Park told me about Akwa Okuko. Go back to my wall. Delete many of them. I have not deleted any of them. Despite Namdon and I delete them none. Because I'm a J Park from now till tomorrow. J Park told me. And the investigation and the information reaching me now is that many things are from A to Z. The those things J Park, but I got them no Aqua before. I've never been to Aqua Place. I've never been to a kitchen Aqua Neme. I've never been to Aqua Hotel. Everything I stated, those things are listed. Go back to my previous video. I don't know we have no Aqua. Those are a message. Now Akwa Okuko and Akwa Okuko team and friends and followers, Abramuno na biggest problem with J Park. And the other DBS or any important personnel or young men send that batarego and the rich older men, stay away from J Park. J Park will release secrets that will destroy your life. J Park is the personal problem apparently today. On a video is so part of the investigation and the many things including that video catch up with Ranola. Onye reveal the secrets J Park. The information reaching me now as I speak is that Ogechi, but many things are he listed in a J Park where I get no lapa catch up no lapa where he goes on. Some people say I get you is the truth. I remember some people keep saying Ogechi, that's why you have too much enemy. That's why people don't like you. In it a big question. My question becoming who know you enemy. Have you ever seen somebody like me? I don't look for a shoulder to lay on. I don't look for friends. I say it the way it is. And I'm always standing on the right track. I don't look for people to guide me before Mama Tadange Kwejoku. Everything in Neku is the truth. I'm not sure anybody to like me. If you want to like me, you have to like me for me being truthful. You have to like me for me being real and truthful. You want to go? So that's why that's why people will hate it. I don't need your likeness. You will later understand it. Why do you think people with a personal love that you must like him whether you like it or not? That you're liking our majority of our children and our church on Oba. Even a majority of what is human pass. You guys know the truth. Can you really get like somebody that does like that? Because when you hear Sana likeness, Sana, you must like me. Oh boy, it takes people with a spiritual inner eyes. It takes people now who beyond what you're doing is wrong. It takes people like us. But because of control, you guys don't see the true part of Akwa. You will not know what I'm saying. Akwa with a personal look. Personal look, when you see him, you will like him. Even Akwa, you fall in love. Oh, wait, mother name is a lie. And when it's something not over that thing that will make you hate him. Anna say, you want to go? Oh, just say here. Like he has a personal somebody gave me a personality like check. You want to go? So I can understand that Open your spiritual eyes. Je to ndena agbaru na afa. Je to dibia unu je. Unu ga wote ihe na bunu today. It takes somebody with spiritual inner eyes to know what I'm saying. Everything, all of you that bring JPAC close to you, una name na sorry. Everything in na social media will come to reality. It may not happen now, but everything in this guy that JPAC revealed to me, okay, hate me for all you cares. You may not like the way I say it, but matter that everything Ogeti said is nothing but the truth, and my truth is what I will stand on. If you like, hate me. If you like me. It's not the bone of contention here. The truth must prevail. JPAC is the biggest problem of anybody. I must keep opening people's eyes. People jump beyond you are not somebody to behold on. Lie. Look at all these things you're saying. Oh, get you na keza ozobro. Oh, get you hand go touch you. Oh, let's assume I'm in ozobro. Come and review the secret about also. Including in the all these things you guys are saying. That environment. Una name na sorry. Sorry is una name.